These are my puppets. How cool. I collect puppets as well. Yeah, this is my puppets. It's pretty cool. This is the plain one. How cool is this? It's pretty cool. I like it. Do you guys like puppets? These are puppets that are fun. You pop them. They're so fun to play with. They're so fun to play with. Look at this puppet. Look, they're so fun to play with. Look. Puppets are pretty cool. Do you guys have puppets in your house? Do you guys collect puppets? Tell me in the comments down below. Tell me down in the comments below if you collect puppets or not. They're pretty cool. I like my puppets. And yeah. I like them. Do you? Tell me what's on your favourite. Tell me if you have a chip, if a puppet plane or not. Tell me down in the comments which one you like, okay? Subscribe, hit the like button, and make sure you watch all my videos I make, okay? Enjoy this video. I hope you guys like it. Goodbye.